Hello friends, welcome to Supriya's A to Z recipes. Today we will see how to make chicken style anda fry, and for that what all ingredients we will need, we will see that. We need 1 onion finely chopped, tomato chopped, 3 boiled eggs, coriander, salt to taste, chicken masala, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 to 3 spoon chili powder and half teaspoon garam masala. Heat the oil. We have to add the chopped onion first. We will add tomato now. We have to add now coriander. Turmeric powder. Chili powder. Half teaspoon garam masala. Salt. 1 spoon chicken masala. We have to mix it well. We have chopped the boiled eggs and now we will add it. We have to mix it well. We have to cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. Anda fry is ready now. Chicken style anda fry is now ready. To know about more recipes, please subscribe to Supriya's A to Z recipes. Like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.